Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to find GCD of two numbers. Okay, GCD of two numbers. What is GCD? Greatest common divisor. Now let us assume that we have two numbers called like 44 and 24. We have two numbers. Let us assume the numbers are 44 and 24. Now I want to find the GCD of these two numbers. Can you tell me what is the GCD of two numbers or how to find GCD? Now here let us assume that the number here is first 44 divided by 24. We perform in this way. 44 divided by 24. So 24 ones 24. Then what is the remainder for this? 20. Here 44 is the dividend, 24 is the divisor, and 20 is the remainder. So in the next iteration what happens is divisor will become dividend and remainder will become divisor. Remainder will become divisor. So 20 divided by 24 or 24 divided by 20, that is 20 ones 20. What is the remainder? 4. Then again 20 will become the dividend, remainder will become the divisor. So 4 5s 20. So this process should be repeated until the remainder is 0. Once the remainder is 0, the divisor is the GCD. This is how to find GCD of two numbers. Now here what we do in the program here is we will accept two numbers from the user. Let us assume that A is 44 and B is 24, or 24 by 44 we can take, no problem. Now here, so 44 and 24 are passed to this function. Now if B equal to 0, A value will be returned, otherwise, so B means divisor, then remainder is again passed to this function. Then this process will be repeated until B value becomes 0. So let me trace and show you this program. So let me explain this separately. Now let us assume that, so what we have seen, so this is our actual program. This I am using for explanation purpose. Now let us assume that two numbers, read two numbers from the user. So the two numbers are 44 and 24. That is A value is 44, B value is 24. Now so A is, the function is called with the values A and B. A value is 44 and B value is 24 here. Now so B, what is B? 24. 24 equal to 0, false, so goes to the else part. B, what is B here? 24. A mod B, just now we have seen, that is 44 divided by 24, 20. So again it will call the same function by passing 24 and 20. So here later for explanation I am using different function. Now A value here is 24 and B value here is 20. Now so again 20 equal to 0, false, it goes to the else part. So 20 and 24 mod 20, what is that? 4. Again the same function will be called internally, so with the values, so 20 and 4. Now again you can see here, so 4 equal to 0, false, it goes to the else part. So B value is 4, 20 mod 4 is, remainder is 0. Then again the function is called by passing the values 4 and 0. Now what is the value of B now? 0. So 0 equal to 0, S. So return A. What is the value in A? 4. This 4 will be returned to the caller, that is to this location, this 4 will be returned. Again the result of this function and call is 4. The 4 will be returned here. Again return 4. This 4 will be returned to this location. And this function is called from main, so this 4 will be returned to main, stores in result, displays GCD is 4. Now let us see the execution part. Now compile and run your program. So enter 44 and 24. GCD is 4. Even you can enter in reverse order also. That is 24 and 44. So what happens? One extra iteration it will take. Those elements will be interchanged. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.